Here we have a Clausing Colchester 13x40 lathe, inch metric. The ways are in good shape. Some minor little coolant pitting on the inside. A buck adjust-tru 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. 4-jaw chuck. There's a little repair right there where someone whacked the handle, but otherwise, aside from some cosmetic, dings and dents. The cross slide's good, it's not all gold up or anything. There's just under quarter turn of backlash there. Tailstock bore is in good shape. Steady rest. We'll start out in the low speed. Higher speed is effective. It's 770 RPM. Cross speed. Doesn't stall on here, so the clutch is good. Carriage speed. 2,500 RPM.